Welcome back to the channel, everybody. I've been gone for a while, but I'm back. If it seems a little dark in the shop, it's because I'm just about done insulating all the skylights up above to keep the sun from roasting me like an ant under a magnifying glass. We're going to start this video with a mail call. My good buddy Steve at Firehouse Custom Fabs, I'll put a link in the description, just hit 100 subscribers on his channel. And so that the deal was, if you commented on a certain amount of his videos, I think particular ones, I can't remember, you'll see on his video, you know, you're going to be entered into the drawing to win one of the Firehouse Custom Fab t-shirts. Well, there was a number of us, all from really good channels, that won a t-shirt. And he mentioned us all by name, and so let's open it up. Yeah, be sure to watch his 100 subscriber giveaway video, and he'll name all the other really cool channels that participated in and won a t-shirt. And I gotta be smarter than the envelope here. All right, check this out, and it's in desert tan. Check out that. Firehouse Custom Fabs. Steve is a professional firefighter by trade, but he's also a very talented machinist, and he's got a very nice machine shop. Look at that. I love it. Thank you very much, Steve. So it's Father's Day weekend 2023, and our youngest son and his family have come to celebrate that with us, which means I have two granddaughters here, and that can only mean one thing.
Kids and tractors. Kids and tractors. Kids and tractors.
Hey! What's that?
Kids and tractors. Kids and tractors.
You'll notice the younger granddaughter's got her tablet. They're helping film the YouTube video. this video was extra special because my granddaughters, our granddaughters, Nancy and I, did most of the filming and editing, soundtracks, all that stuff. And they're talented little girls, you know, for 11 and 8. They've got this YouTube thing and iMovie figured out. So move over, Grandpa. We're taking over. So, which is fine with me. Anyway, I want to thank y'all for watching. To all you dads out there, hope you had a really wonderful Father's Day with family and your kids and grandkids. If you're new to the channel, welcome. I have picked up quite a few subscribers recently, even though I've been offline for about 2 or 3 weeks. I'm right on the cusp of 600 subscribers, so you know the drill. When I hit 1,000, if I hit 1,000, we're going to do another giveaway. The 500 subscriber giveaway was a lot of fun, so we're going to do that again when the channel hits 1,000. So thank you all for watching, and we'll see you real soon on the next video coming up. Bye now.